just stranded these 100 people in the middle of the wilderness. And whichever team has the most people here when help arrives splits that $250,000. The people wearing blue are a team of survival experts, and the people wearing red are amateurs who might not be cut out for the wilderness. Blue team, grab your bags and follow me. What's the longest you spent in the woods?
Longest, 3 months.
Like for fun?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. How many of you have been camping before? How many of you could survive a month out here? Oh my gosh, they're cooked over there. I knew the blue team would have an advantage. So before we started, I told the red team the challenge and even brought them to a store to get anything they needed to help them survive. Okay, show me what you
I
found.
have rope. I have this tarp here on the floor.
Whoa, did you buy a giant 24-pack of water?
Absolutely. I just went ahead and went straight for the lighter.
Smart, okay. But the blue team was told that they were competing in a Mr. Beast video.
I didn't know what to pack for, so I packed for any climate.
I thought you were gonna fly us to Alaska.
For shelters, we're gonna be building simple debris shelters. You just have to have a good layer of insulation. I've been practicing these skills for about a decade, but I'll need a team of 10 people to start gathering. You guys are gonna build. It'll be better for morale.
We ended up with a kid's tent. Luckily, I'm only like 5'5".
With all the perks your team has, you think you'll beat the blue team?
Yeah,
Even though they're professionals?
we don't care. We're professionals in our own way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just doing what I've seen in the movies.
These people do this for fun.
How many nights are you guys staying?
All the nights. I can stay here till Christmas. Until they tell us we have to leave.
Their hobby is suffering in the woods.
Good night.
And during the first night, it was very clear that the red team's advantage was making it easier for them. But the experts struggled to keep their eyes shut as the temperatures dropped drastically.
I'm so exhausted. I'm dehydrated and wondering why I'm here. I physically couldn't sleep. The ground was so cold. Everything was wet.
And the only way out of this challenge is to light your flare and wait to be rescued.
We just had our first person tap out.
One down.
49 to go.
But that wasn't the only one.
Sorry, guys. I'm 66 years old. I had double knee replacement. And I'm so sorry.
Shockingly, the first two eliminations are experts from the blue team, while the red team was using their resources to sleep outside in style.
It's a beautiful morning. The sun is shining.
So lucky to be out here. It's nice to just take a break from the world sometimes.
Meanwhile, the experts knew they needed to fix their shelters fast, or they'd quickly lose even more people.
These shelters were never meant to be just a pile of sticks and that's it. You want to pile on leaves about a foot thick. It's going to take some work from everybody.
The leaves, when we start getting rain, it keeps you dry.
Oh, all three of you sleep over there?
Oh yeah.
Bro, their fort is massive. Do you think this will hold up well in the rain?
It's only one way to find out.
We're gonna make our shelter, and then that way we're not gonna be sleeping under the rain. So we're making a roof. We just need to keep the food safe and dry.
You built this?
Yeah.
We gotta take pointers next time we do a survival
Yeah, I
video.
know.
You can just give me a call.
We might need to. And while the experts were using the most of their limited resources, the amateurs were burning through their advantage quickly. This is all you've done? Just promise me none of you are gonna die.
We promise.
Okay.
Promise.
As the day turned to night, the amateurs continued to recklessly waste.
I know they're still working hard, using all their energy, because they're not gonna last.
But the experts' hard work was already paying off.
Look at this. This is better than 4 seasons.
I think we're going to have a much more comfortable night, personally. We're out in the woods. Slept like a baby.
Wow.
Just because we built a great shelter. It was warm. The red team, they probably got tents. They got sleeping bags. We got this.
You know, we're all out here not eating and having a blast.
Backflip, bro.
While the experts started their day rested and full of energy, the amateurs started theirs facing the hardest part of survival, an empty stomach.
Do you have any snacks?
I wish.
The red team spent the first 2 days absolutely destroying their snacks. And now,
We're all so hungry.
Hunger is really setting in today.
Guys, we're about to go explore for food and water.
meanwhile,
Foraging class starting now.
with the knowledge of wilderness survivalist Seth, Blue Team was able to turn their forest into a grocery store.
You can always pick it and eat it as a trail nibble.
He even built a fish trap out of sticks to put into the nearby river. Meanwhile, the amateurs tried out their fishing gear, but only had the skill to catch trash. But by day 4, the snack situation was no laughing matter.
Breaker 49, we're out of food.
How much food do we have? Do you know?
We don't have any food. I'm about to be snacking on this all night.
We're gonna go scavenger now.
So because Party Mix lasts for 45 minutes at best,
What's this?
I also had a plan for that.
Beets! Apples!
I planted food caches all around the forest.
Dude, what?
With a minimum amount of food to survive, if they manage it right.
I bet there's all kinds of stuff in these woods. We just gotta walk around.
I just found a ton of food in the woods.
Oh, we're eating good tonight.
Both teams established community pantries to ration out the food.
So I think we're going to be all right for a little while, as long as we work together as a team. I think that's important, that nobody starts like turning on anybody.
But over at the blue team, Julia had a different plan.
I don't want them to have control of it.
They're gonna go crazy on the food, and there's not gonna be anything left for us that are willing to starve for a week, and the people that aren't willing to.
Using the food from the caches, the experts cooked up a large dinner.
We're making dinner? It's insane.
And tensions came to a boil.
We are doing the best we can. Not everybody's gonna be happy, but we can't make you happy if you don't communicate with us.
We're up. Good night.
Where is their shed, Chelsea?
Randy's suspicions revealed a new obstacle in this challenge.
No way. Are you for real? Potatoes.
Their own teammates.
Look at this. This is the stash we found in their shed when they left. They weren't contributing to the group, then I gotta say, I'm glad they're gone. The other side of the coin is we need people to stay because we gotta win this game.
Randy is right. The team with the most members left at the end of this competition will win and divide up the $250,000 prize.
We've lost 5 people. So listen, none of us eliminate tomorrow, okay?
But despite Randy's pep talk,
Never being in a game where I can't trust my own teammates. Marco, don't do it.
the self-eliminations kept coming. And so did the arguments.
You can't decide what other people are going to eat. There's 11 people here, so one person could get an apple. Ridiculous.
You have 50 survivalists, aka control freaks, type A people, all trying to be in charge. At least for me, I'm leaving. I'm out.
It's only day 5, and with the experts down by 9, they're going to have to learn to get along to survive this game.
Come eat. I know you haven't gotten an apple yet.
Red Team's strategy to come together and share resources was helping them survive.
Please only have one. We're sharing. We share here.
Thank you.
I'm used to eating 6 eggs in the morning, and now I'm just eating an apple, but for the money.
But not everyone was willing to live on an apple a day.
That's what I'm saying. Not much food. Energy's low. Very low.
I have not been feeling well today. Got a really bad headache.
I just want a Waffle House buffet.
Why do you gotta start talking, bro?
I'm thinking about it now.
And the hunger cost the Red Team their first 6 eliminations.
Waffle House better be ready, dude.
What's the hardest part for all of you?
Food.
And the sun.
And the bugs.
Basically everything. What are we working on over here?
I got like the mansion in here. There's 4 of us in here.
How's sleep been?
We've gotten progressively better, but I think that's because our standards have lowered.
How do you think your shelter compares to the professionals?
Oh my God, 100% better.
You're not concerned it might ever rain and water because you're on a decline? Well,
I think I'm delusionally positive.
should be an easy video for them.
I don't know about that, Jimmy.
How do you think your experience compares to the professionals?
I think most of them have gone home already. If all of them are experts, they're all probably butting heads on like what to do because they think their way is the best way.
And she wasn't far off.
If we shouldn't be eating today, this will not last 50 people long.
It's the community choice. Like,
If we want to even make it to the end, we need to really start sticking to something a little more rigorous. This is not comfort. This is survival.
And the eliminations kept coming from both teams.
I'll eat enough for all of y'all.
So to stop the eliminations, the next morning, the Red Team chef, Brittany, tried her hand at cooking breakfast.
Get it. Ooh, no.
Oh!
Y'all. Sorry, guys.
And the food reviews were, well,
Trash.
not great.
Now I'm sick to my stomach and I don't want to eat anymore.
I want to go home.
Exactly, girlfriend.
Help.
After days of tension, Blue Team started the morning by letting loose. But not even a drum circle could stop the infighting.
I understand, but if we can wipe down the
Okay,
counter before
hold on
we
one
cook.
second. Okay, let's just squash this just for a quick second.
No, you should stay and listen. I mean,
How about don't tell me what to do?
oh,
I feel
find it really difficult to be a part of a team. I'm like naturally oppositionally defiant.
And once again, it led to even more eliminations.
Let them eat apples!
My heart's not in it.
And over at the red team,
we're out of fruit, so we don't have breakfast anymore.
And the loss of breakfast was too much for 2 more red team members.
No, don't do. No.
I miss milkshakes. I want a milkshake so bad.
And just like they don't know how many are left on the opposing team, until the end of this video, you won't either. What we're about to do will fundamentally change the video.
Oh my gosh.
What's happening? What do you think?
It's Jimmy?
Oh, thank God.
When I honk the horn, throw the back.
He's going kind of fast. I'm scared.
Delivery! Special delivery!
Go.
What?
Oh gosh! Now let's hook up the professionals.
Oh, I think that's Jimmy's hat.
Yeah.
They've got a sack of food.
Hey everybody! We're about to find out if they can work together as a team or if this is gonna drive them apart.
What does it say?
All right.
Both teams have 50 cans of food.
Whichever team gives me back the most unopened cans in 72 hours wins a reward.
If both teams are tied,
neither wins anything.
neither team wins.
I say we eat it all.
But here's the deal. They're going to think that we're going to open the food because we're starving. They think we're starving.
Wait, just bury the thing or something.
Yeah, let's bury the whole thing.
We got to be disciplined. No one touches food. No one sneak on this one.
Here's the deal. We do not touch it because we have enough rations to get us through for 72 hours.
Can I just have one?
No, ma'am.
So we're hiding the cans in the woods so that only a few of us have access to them.
I'm really stressed about food and the fishing situation. I think we just have to be patient.
Do I think that some people might leave after today if they know that we're not going to be able to open up some of those cans? Absolutely.
Sun's coming up. Day 8.
It's a nice overcast day, I'll show you. Finally a break from the sun.
So we found this old charcoal grill in the woods.
Which for now kept spirits pretty high. It's remarkable what a little food and a change in the weather will do to willpower. But unfortunately, the blue team wasn't doing as well.
Poison ivy is kind of spreading.
Man, the hunger is real.
Day 8 and there's nothing in the traps yet.
I'm so hungry I'm about to eat my toothpaste.
How one of those canned goods tastes right by now.
I'm not going to lie. I would dig into a can of beef.
The fact that we have 50 canned goods up there with beef, peas, corn, blows my mind. Down there looking for crawfish, look to my left, seen this, what I thought was a stick that started moving inside of my eye, and I turned around and I was like, hey, snake!
But by the end of the day, the wind for both teams began to shift.
Ooh. So change of the day, there's like a massive storm coming. It's possible it's a tornado.
We gotta go, guys.
I get to my shelf.
It's definitely about to storm. It's looking scary. It's literally dropped like 15 degrees in like 10 minutes.
A random wind picked up. Our whole shelter feels like it's gonna fall apart. I have no rain. Is that thunder?
The rain has finally come. Everyone is heading towards their shelter.
That storm is blowing in hard, so that means it's nap time.
If I had to guess, I think this rain is going to be a breaking point for a lot of people.
Currently storming pretty bad. We're huddled up in the shelter. There's no way the red team's handling this as well as we are.
This just made the challenge a lot more interesting.
I had to evacuate to the plane. My whole tent blew down. Like, what is happening?
Debating going to the plane, but I think most everyone else is in there.
Our tent collapsed.
Just want to go home.
Now, hopefully, 250 grand is enough for them to push through.
This sucks.
I'm really losing it.
I just keep going back to it when things get hard. I'm like, I'm literally in the Mr. Beast video competing for a lot of money. You need to be here for that.
All right. I don't hear rain anymore. The temperature dropped like crazy. It got cold. Time to climb out, see how everybody's doing.
So last night was the coldest night we've been out here. As you can see from the frost on the leaves, the money box, the trees, it was freezing.
Freezing last night.
Get me up out of here.
Did you ever think you'd see an airplane chair frozen outside? That's crazy, right?
I'm miserable. I'm starving.
I don't think I can do another night like that.
But the good news is, if we're really cold, that means the red team is also really cold.
It's like a complete flood through here. That was our fire pit.
It was like so hot yesterday. What's going on here?
The rain made this challenge excruciatingly more difficult,
I'm free!
causing 6 people from the red team
Mr. Beast.
We are never going camping again.
And 2 from the blue team
Y'all better win it.
to head home. Let's just hope that the storm was enough of a distraction to not eat the canned food.
It's award day, so fingers crossed that we win with our 50 cans.
Just patiently awaiting tonight to find out if we won the challenge.
Every single one of us would love to eat that food. What's on the agenda today, guys?
I can do pottery with some people.
If we don't win it, it's not going to be a good day for Red Team. Zach's here.
Hello, everybody. Whoa, there's not many of you left. Can I have your unopened cans?
As promised.
All right, thank you for the cans. Here's a walkie. I'll tell you the results when I get their cans. All right, now let's check in on the professionals. Oh, they're still underground? Oh. Okay. Patrick, do you mind helping me carry it? You're very strong, yeah. Okay, here you go. Blue team, is there anything you'd like to say to the red team? All right.
How many cans did you eat?
Wouldn't you like to know?
Yeah.
They think they're doing something. Let's say all of them.
That's actually exactly why I asked, blue team.
You sound hungry and cranky over there.
Red team and blue team, the results of the 50 can challenge are in. In front of me are 2 bags. I say we start off by revealing the blue side's results. Blue team just gave me back.
The hunger is real. How one of those canned goods tastes right by now. The fact that we have 50 canned goods up there blows my mind.
50 cans of food. I dropped 2, but 50. And a red team, the amateurs, also gave me 50 cans of food back, meaning neither side will be getting a reward.
Shocker. Blair. No, literally.
Blue team seems fine. Red team seems very angry about that result. Oh my gosh, wait! I literally just revealed the results and 3 people just got out.
It's been real.
Oh, they are falling apart. I need to go over there. What the heck just happened? Oh, wait, are you about to light it?
My mama heart's telling me to go.
Whoa, that is 5. You ended up getting no food out of it. Do you regret not eating the cans?
Yeah. That was a gut punch.
The morale immediately lowered on the blue team. I think we might have some flares tonight.
I adore each and every one of y'all, but I'm ready to go home.
Things are starting to be a little grim.
Oh, morale's pretty tough for the Blue Beast this morning. We lost 3 last night.
The sleep deprivation is real. The hunger is real.
We are struggling with some food stuff.
I am forever starving.
And while Seth was trying to cheer up the camp, not everyone was in a good mood.
Quite honestly, guys, I'd rather one of you kick me in the nuts than hear that.
We could all be here for weeks and weeks. I have a wife and daughter I have to get back to.
Patrick and Malik are having a pretty hard hug right now, and I'm just hoping that it's not another conversation about leaving.
I'm gonna miss y'all.
Man.
Hey everybody, I'm leaving today.
You realize the value you brought to this team?
I do. I taught everybody how to make shelters that'll withstand the elements. I tried really hard to set everybody up for success, and I think Blue Team's gonna win. The amount of time I can be away from my business, there's no joy in leaving. Gotta put my business first, though.
We love you,
Seth.
Man, you're the ultimate survivalist.
Seth just lit a flare. He taught everyone so much.
A lot of people just don't want to talk about it, but it is what it is. And a lot of people have to leave.
But it's also hard because we don't know what's going on the other side.
I can tell that I'm losing weight every day, and I don't have much weight to lose until my body starts shutting down.
We can't only rely on the rice we have, so we are just testing our luck.
It started to physically hurt my body, like my hips hurt. I'm sick.
Oh, you ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
Rest in peace, Mona. Always in our hearts.
She didn't die.
I'll take her portion of the beans.
It's good that more people are dropping because ka-ching, ka-ching.
Every time someone leaves, the pot gets bigger.
And with less people, the red team was forced to take on more responsibilities.
Our group have something in them to prove.
I think they're gonna step up.
Since our chef Brittany left, I thought I'd fill in half the role. The girlies chopped up chives and carrots, and I feel like it came out good. Like, we can manage.
I've proven that I can do a lot more than even I thought I could do.
Because it's my birthday, I'm buying random people who subscribe whatever they want. It could be a car, a dream vacation, or even just paying off your rent. All you have to do is click subscribe and comment what you want, and I'll be picking random winners over the next 30 days. Good luck.
We have a big storm coming in. A lot of people could end up leaving tonight.
This is the Airbnb. Yeah, this is the entrance. Blocks the wind.
Whoa. Oh, the rain's starting to pick up. Do you think this is rainproof?
I think it's rain resistant.
Rain is coming in, and so I'm beefing up my door, and I just need all this holly in to fill in those gaps.
But right after I left, heavy rain poured in for hours upon hours.
We've been dealing with nonstop rain for about 5 hours. Everybody's shoes are soaked, socks are soaked, clothes are soaked. Where we were planning to sleep is soaked.
Water inside my hut there. It looks like it's not waterproof.
I've come to stand under the tarp.
The only thing that sits under the tarp is the beans and rice.
So you're not letting people sit over here,
our
right?
only shelter.
All right, it's fine. They took the only tarp that there is, and now they're not letting anybody use it. The one tarp that we have, like I can't even stand under it. That seems wrong.
That one tarp was designated and put there so that we
As
could
a
keep
community shelter.
so we could keep our beans and our rice dry.
But it was a community shelter.
Okay, listen to what I'm telling you. They're trying to get everything sorted out so they can get everything out so we can fit people in there. That's what they're doing in there.
But it was a community shelter.
I think we're all getting to the end of our wits here. Our camp is absolutely soaked. This has to end soon. I'm just hoping Red Team had to go through something similar.
Gotta refill my water. Then I'm gonna go sit in my tent, read and nap.
These days are the easiest days. These are filler days to us.
And while Red was happily waiting out the rain, my Day 14 challenge might affect who will reign supreme next.
Everyone, gather around.
Gather around the boxes.
Blue team, how we doing?
All right.
An identical set of boxes has been placed in front of both teams.
We will be opening them one at a time, revealing a crucial survival item. If both teams reject it, only then will the next item be revealed. And whichever team hits their button first will be able to keep the item.
You guys decide to take that box, they get nothing. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Maj, Tariq, reveal the first box. Box number 1, fishing gear.
There's no fish in that river.
We can't catch fish, so that's really useless.
We passing on this.
Hard pass.
Is anyone gonna push that button?
I'm ready to tackle somebody for hitting that button.
Are you guys sure?
Yes.
You guys said no to the first box? Tariq, reveal the second box. Cast iron pots and pans.
Cast iron cooking. Chef, what do you think?
I feel like we have everything else now.
Maybe we should just cook it so they don't get anything.
Now reminder, if the other team takes it, you guys get nothing.
And if both teams reject every box, then both teams get everything.
We can have it all. Don't hit it.
We could get all 5 boxes.
But then they have 5 boxes.
Okay, yes or no?
No.
No?
They passed up on box number 2.
That was dumb. We don't need anything else.
Reveal box number 3. Feastables peanut butter cups.
Look at that.
This is cruel. This is just cruel.
Peanut butter cups, no.
The peanut butter, the milk chocolate.
My mouth is salivating right now. The other team might press it. The other team might hit it, guys.
Don't do it, Carlos. Put your hand down.
Please, let's hit it.
I'm saying no.
3, 2.
Close that box.
It's gone.
That was difficult. Open the 4th box. Building supplies.
No.
You guys can build more shelter.
We already built it. That's an easy task.
So far, both teams have passed on every box. I would really think hard about the next one. If no one hits the button on both sides, you guys get everything. But if they hit the button on this last box, you guys get nothing.
I don't think they're gonna push the button.
I think they will.
You think they will?
Yeah.
Why do you think that?
If they press no button, we're all even again.
That is true.
Why would they want to help someone that doesn't have as much stuff get all the things? So I think the strategy is you don't want to give them something that they might need.
Question, is there a role you do it?
No.
You gotta see what's in that box first.
Yeah, but then we both get it anyway.
They don't want us to take it, so they're gonna hit the last button.
That's what I think. They're gonna hit it just because they don't want us to take it.
That's fine because we don't need anything. That's
This
fine.
might be more advantageous for them to win.
That's why we should click it for this next box.
Yes, Tariq, reveal the last box. Steaks, jack links, and seasonings for your entire team.
Oh my God.
I'm pressing the button.
Wait.
No.
You guys not doing it?
No!
Did you press it?
He pressed it immediately. Blue team pressed the button.
What?
Blue team pressed it immediately.
Wait, what? The blue team hit the button and you guys got nothing.
No one had the guts to press the button.
Because everybody had to talk about it.
Well, y'all said no.
Don't hit the button yet.
Oh, I don't want to be here anymore.
And though Patrick's quick thinking gave him the advantage, the disregard for their input immediately created a rift.
They're really not listening, are you? I'm vegetarian.
Who cares?
Whether discouraged by losing the challenge,
You know, losing really sucks. I didn't press the button.
or by simply not being listened to,
I promise you, you're losing more people than me.
Then get the hell out of here.
both Red Team and Blue Team lost multiple players. But for the Blues who remained, this was the first time they gained a resource over their rivals. And for the first time in over 2 weeks, the Blue Team got a little slice of heaven.
Who wants to cook their steak now?
The steaks are looking really good.
Better than Christmas Day, better than Thanksgiving. Yum.
I have energy because we had protein.
It's all coming together how we need it.
But things weren't as great with the Red Team.
I want them pots.
The pots would have been nice.
It's like, Isaiah, please, just trust me.
Literally, we have black stuff in our food now because they didn't want to press the button on the pants. I'm not over it. I'm so mad.
But once the meat was gone, Blue Team ran into a new problem.
It's about money. I'm not a people person. We just want more money. But now that so many people have left,
A lot of money.
And now that more and more people are leaving, their share of the $250,000, if they win, is going up. You don't know how much it is because you don't know how many people are left, but trust me, it's starting to become a lot of money.
Thousands of dollars.
So Trin hatched a plan to increase her share of the money.
are we ever gonna leave this place?
Trini is really starting to get on my nerves.
I'm in a Mr. Beast video!
I think the survival aspect of it isn't the hardest part anymore.
You're selfish for taking the tarp.
I didn't take it. Did Sunny take it?
Okay, so how about we take the tarp so we can make a shelter for everyone to
down
use?
a shelter that we moved into. That
Dude,
someone
you're
else built.
wild right now. I can't even believe that you, of all people,
You
would
can keep
say
talking
that I'm
over me.
Yeah, my career is based around good energy, good vibes. I don't believe in bad days. When I see teammates are down, I either try to make them laugh or I do a backflip. I really felt like I done enough to win. My bad, y'all. We think somebody flared because we heard them screaming and then, you know, it was like screaming, clapping.
Someone definitely flared.
Their team is probably getting ready to break off, especially after getting that steak and now it's like gone. We could win for sure.
I want some sweet potatoes.
You ate a lunch. No one else got lunch.
I'm gonna eat if I'm hungry. I don't need to answer to you. I don't need to answer to anyone here.
She's like the least team player vibes.
That last little bit of toxicity, thanks guys. That's exactly what we needed. Now we can get out of here.
I didn't like him.
But the Red Team genuinely liked each other.
If we all just work together, we can win this. We can beat the blue team, hopefully.
Thank you. No problem.
Oh my God.
I want to cry.
You have to work as a team and be selfless. Everyone's willing to put up a fight. We're still in this to win this, so.
We have a really strong team.
But the Blue Team maybe didn't feel the same way.
If we start breaking apart one by one, like losing Patrick, is what it is.
And we all unanimously agreed she could have some rice.
I didn't hear that conversation.
We literally had the conversation yesterday about the rice.
I didn't hear it or participate. I just want to leave with a win, and I feel like I'm going to leave with this bitter taste in my mouth.
It really sucks, and I don't want to be bitter.
Really sorry, Joel. Glad that they're gone.
Did you hear that right then?
I heard what I think is the blue team cheering.
Yeah, that sounds like a small amount of guys.
I heard it just then, too.
2 people flirting, think?
We are like stuck here for life. We know we're not. We have the flares, but also then we lose. And I don't lose.
We're gonna win this. I don't know how, I don't know when, but we are gonna win this.
The less people we have, the lower our chances of winning get.
It's getting harder to stay.
I started to think that maybe this was getting easier. It's not.
While the Blue Team was falling apart, the Red Team was coming together so well. They weren't just surviving, they were thriving.
It's relaxation time, guys. We're gonna have a quick little river day. Sometimes you just gotta find the good and the bad.
It's crazy, like,
Are you gonna let me talk?
you literally don't do anything to contribute outside of cooking food that has no taste at all. It's crap food, honestly. And I'm sorry, but I gotta say it.
You gonna be okay?
No, I'm not.
You wanna take a walk?
Yeah. I think they're just such bullies.
Did he catch something?
He looks big too. Good job. Oh, sorry.
We cleaned it as a team, and we're cooking it up now.
They're just literally bullies.
They're mean girls.
I'm gonna leave today. At the end of the day, I didn't win a Mr. Beast challenge, but I did my best.
You stayed so long.
Maybe you want a fork?
That's really good.
That tastes good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
When something's right for you, you'll have peace. And I don't have peace being here any longer. Get me out of here.
But just because you have the training to survive by yourself in the wilderness doesn't mean you can survive as a group.
We are now 5 days in a row with 0 flares.
Amelia's gone, and I think Trin is very selfish. If we're one short because of Red beat us by one person, and you're cheering over here, it's your money that you're losing too.
There's just so many less bodies. At one point, there were 50 survivalists.
Hopefully tomorrow is challenge day or extraction day, but we need something.
3 weeks in the woods. Let's see how they're doing. Oh, red team.
What is going on?
Hello, everyone.
Do y'all want a challenge?
Amateurs, why do you think I have this?
Is that where rescue is?
This is a map of the red camp.
And this is a flare gun.
You're gonna mark where you want to hide this flare gun in their camp.
Whichever side finds the flare gun first will decide when the video ends by firing it.
You can end the game today. You can end it in 5 days, 10 days, whenever you want.
And the other team will have no control over it.
Oh, I just got chills.
If you pop that flare, at the end of the world, you still lose. So you just gotta remember that.
What if they hold on to it for 2 weeks?
Then they're messed up and sick in the head.
They're gonna walk the boundary, I bet.
Yeah, they'll walk.
So put a little bit in more.
Let's make them work for it so they burn a bunch of calories. Yeah. So definitely somewhere far away.
Watch the spot then.
There we go.
What's happening? This is it. This is exactly where they marked on the map. Their flare is now here. Let's see if they find it first. First team to find the flare will decide when this video ends. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Take off your blindfolds. Good luck.
Time to go. Time to go.
Go find it.
God.
Oh my God!
All right, what's the plan, amateurs? What's the plan?
I can't see.
What's the plan?
We all gridded it out.
So did y'all talk about where you were gonna go separately already?
I'm going to the very far back woods.
Hey guys, wait.
Okay, wait, before we go off.
Wait, you guys didn't figure out a plan while you're blindfolded?
This is a mess.
Wait.
Red team is a mess. They all have a plan. They are determined to be the ones that find this flare.
I'm going to the furthest corner.
You go towards the docks, I'll go the other way.
Go find the flare!
I gotta get my water right
What
here.
if the blue team finds it when you're getting water? Taking his time, which is fine. Surely the blue team's not even close.
So right now, I'm actually really close to the border.
I'm under the border.
All right, I'm down here searching for the flare.
I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find it.
Oh man, we are deep in the woods. All right, he found his teammate.
Nobody entered that back corner. They went right. So if you're gonna go that way, I'm gonna go that way.
I'm gonna head down by the dock.
You can literally see all around you here. Now you just gotta scan.
Legacy. Inward. Dude, I really want to find this flare.
We're all so focused on finding this flare gun.
I didn't have a cameraman follow me, so maybe a sign I'm not in the right area. But I hope we find this flare first.
You can see pretty much the whole view down there, and I don't see it. Also don't see it here.
You see anything?
Nope, not here.
Neither do I.
Look out.
Oh, I think I see it.
Don't mess with me.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, man.
I think I hit pretty much everything. I think we'd see it.
Wait.
Someone found a flare.
Don't find it! The horn is going off. Our team might have found it. Hopefully that means we found it.
These contestants have spent the last 20 days in the woods, losing teammates.
Get me out of here.
There's no joy in leaving.
Alliances pushing themselves to their limits.
Is that thunder?
Here comes the rain.
For this moment right here.
I found it! I found it! I got 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 it! This is Taylor! I got it! I got it! I got it! Yes! Got it!
They found it first.
How many people do you think are left on the amateurs?
9. I hope that they think, oh, well, we got this in the bag. I hope that they blow the flare and we have more people.
Is there any world where there's more than you?
Maybe, but we don't think so.
What if you waited till tomorrow?
Nah, we waited 20 days. Yeah.
After 20 days, it all comes down to this. The side with the most contestants is winning that money. 3, 2, 1, take off your blindfold. That is correct. There's 11 left on the blue team, but only 9 left on the red team. Blue team, you just won $250,000. Oh my gosh, they're going crazy.
It's emotional, but what can I say? They're survival experts, and I'm just proud we made it this far.
We're gonna give each of you $4,000 for spending time out here. They're not going home empty-handed. They each are walking home with $22,000. Whether you have skill or a bunch of resources, I think in the end, the thing that matters the most is working together. Thank you guys for watching.